What's good, KFAM? We got Stray Kids Ordinary Unveil track 2, Lonely Street. We finna get in our feels, I guess, bro. All we know is loneliness out here. All we know is misery. Bro, I'm kinda tired right now because I was fighting these copyright demons trying to upload this G-Idol video, right? And it kept getting blocked, so I ended up falling asleep while I was uploading for the last time, which it's now worked, you know? And like, to put things into perspective, you see I can't even speak for real, bro. To put things into perspective, I went to go pee, right? Did what I did, finished, flushed, turned around to go wash my hands, and then I turned off the light. Instead of washing my hands, I turned off the light. Like, I don't know, that's where my brain is at right now, bro. You feel me? I'm fried, I'm gone, so like, bear with me, bro. But we here, let's get straight to it. But that thing, she had the cargo pants with almost a tank engine. Yeah, no issue. They trying to kill me. You feel me? Like, why are you trying to kill me, brother? He's a runner, he's a track star. Oh no, gracious, he's out there staggering and stuff. Ah, bro, my lip hurt just looking at that, bro. Like, you know when you just like, when wind just like brushes across your lip and it's pain? You need some chapstick, bro, I got you. Hard hurting in that. Gracious, with the blonde hair, hold on. Hold on, let me turn it up, bro. I feel like it's too low. Y'all know how I feel about the guitar, bro. The way they built it up, I thought it was about to go crazy. I was ready to start like headbanging, but then they were like, nah, let's slow it down, bro. I'm falling down. That guitar. That's gorgeous, bro. A Stray. Ooh, the harmonies. These dudes are way too beautiful, bro. Gracious, I ain't never seen a tear fall down like that. This chord progression is reminding me of a specific song, but it's not clicking. Nah, we need to run that back one time for the one time, bruh. Hold on. Bro, these guys are artists for real, bruh. Like, the artistry, don't play with Stray Kids, bro. Like, they really do this. They really do this, bro. One more time, we'll run that back. Like, the production, I love the production so much, bro. Like the little, and then the slow it down. Gorgeous, bro. There's a song this reminds me of, bro, and it's not clicking. Is it? Ooh yeah. Y'all know what song that is, right? I don't know what the title is, bro. I forgot what it is, but it's giving me those kind of vibes, bro. You feel me? That guitar, especially. That's gorgeous, bro. Bro, Felix is a beautiful man, bro. Like, it is not fair. The way he looks into the camera is OD. pain. That's all we know, bro. My inner guitarist is tingling. I need to learn this. I need to learn this ASAP, bro. The moment it drops, I need someone to like drop the tabs, drop something, bro. Y'all want a guitar cover? I could try and make a little guitar cover or something, you know? That sounds gorgeous. I'm convinced Stray Kids don't miss, bro. And I still haven't checked out all their albums, you feel me? I only did the last one. So I need to get acquainted expeditiously, bro. You feel me? I feel like I low-key want to start doing Stray Kids the survival show, because I have a slot opened up on my website where, you know, I'm doing boy group days on Fridays. So I was thinking maybe I should start doing Stray Kids to like get to know the history a little more, get to see how they were made and that, you know, and then we can get into an album discography journey and that, all that, you feel me? Because I need to, from what I've heard so far, bro, like I haven't got too deep into them yet, but from what I've heard, I love them so much, bro. Like the production, some of my favorite production, period. No cap. That guitar, bro. Hold on one more time, bro. One more time. It's the guitar, bro. This transition right here.
길을 걸어가다 falling down, I'm falling down.
That's gorgeous, bro.
Still astray, astray, astray. Just stop it all, 'cause I'ma go on my way.
Gorgeous. Like I'm trying to be out somebody's window just in the rain, slow dancing to this song because they left me lonely. You know, like, bro, why'd you leave me, bro? Now I'm out there, now I'm out here lonely on the street, lonely street, you feel me? Alright, love y'all, appreciate y'all. Let me know again, like, should I start watching Stray Kids, bro? I feel like it's essential, it's a must, you know? Anyways, till I see y'all, bro.